This video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called QRYPT. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. My video is strictly for educational purposes. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this QRYPT ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. It also reveals this ransom note titled as "Read me how to recover." The ransom note indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the application, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on the start scan button and the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated by Combo Cleaner, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were found. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually. However, I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. This way your data will always be under the protection, and you can also request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. It helps to remove the ransomware, it helps to protect the data, but it doesn't decrypt the files. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.